What are assertions?
Assertions are statements in code that test assumptions made by the programmer. If an assertion fails, the program will stop and display an error, giving immediate feedback. Assertions are mainly used to catch bugs early during development by verifying conditions that must always be true in your code.
Why use assertions in debugging?
Assertions help quickly identify errors by flagging conditions that should never occur. If something does go wrong, assertions point directly to the spot where the assumption was violated, making it easier to find and fix bugs. They act as an internal safety net to ensure your code runs as expected.
How to add assertions in your code?
To add an assertion, use the assert statement followed by a condition you expect to be true. For example, assert x greater than 0. X must be positive. If x is not positive, the assertion fails. Provide a clear message to help you understand what went wrong when debugging.
Best practices for assertions.
Use assertions to check for conditions that should never happen if your code is correct, but not for user input or normal errors. Keep assertion messages descriptive and use them to document important invariants in your code. Remove or disable them in production for best performance.
Improving code reliability with assertions.
By catching problems early, assertions help create more reliable software. They encourage clear thinking about what your code should do and help other developers understand your intentions. Make assertions a regular part of your coding workflow to reduce bugs and improve program stability.